Hi everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to Blink
Beauty, lifestyle and health.
Today we will be showing you how to do your eyebrows. Your eyebrows during summer or before makeup looks. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
We're gonna start off with brushing the eyebrows into shape. We're going to highlight using a brow pencil. Around the summertime, you can use the gel brow pencil, the eyebrow gel, because the eyebrow gel does not come off easily. You can just sweat, it doesn't come off. I really like to use it after I have applied the pencil to highlight and to define the eyebrows. We are now going to use a concealer to clean out and shape the eyebrow and give it a shape. So you can just follow the natural line of the eyebrow. A concealer is always very light. Just make sure you use it on the eyebrow. And just follow the bristles. Follow the brush. And we also do the other brow, shaping it using the brush, stroking it slightly to highlight the brows. Just go with the natural shape of the brow, don't forget to do that. And remember to tap the concealer in while blending it in. And now to blend in with a color foundation for his skin tone, make sure that your beauty blender, your beauty sponge is damp. Make sure it's damp, not wet. And now we're gonna start blending in. Remember to tap. Always use the tapping motion. So that it sticks in. And there are no harsh lines. It looks as natural as possible. Then you can use a setting powder to set the eyebrow. As you can see, it looks very natural.
Okay guys, if you are not looking for a hectic makeover, just your eyebrows nicely, tightly clean, this look you can rock going to the shops, doing your grocery. It's a very clean, simple, not too hectic look, so you can use it with your daily routines or going somewhere nearby, not too far away. So yeah, it's a nice look. I like it. It's simple and yeah, it looks natural. It does look. I don't have these kinds of eyebrows. They're not so big. I've got quite thin eyebrows, so this look is nice just to enhance, just highlights, simple highlights, and that's it. It works. I can rock this up to the grocery stores and it'll be just fine. Yeah, try it out.